function of an email effectively does not change. What I'm trying to say here, these are core principles. New Great Depression, downfall of American dollar, little known strategies, a simple investment. You see how many topics I've already accumulated?
Wow.
You see what I'm saying here?
Yeah.
All right. I'm asking you, what are you trying to tease me about? What are you trying to create intrigue? You don't know the answer because your email doesn't seem to have that coherence in it either. Right?
Yeah.
So this is the whole, like, Siraj has a little comment over here to stick to one thing. This is what that means. If we're gonna say in an opening line, protect yourself from the new Great Depression draining your wallet, the second line should be some sort of expansion on this sentence, and that's it. So, protect yourself from the new Great Depression draining your wallet. There's kind of three clauses. Protect yourself, new Great Depression, draining your wallet. You can pick one of those and then expand on it. Protect yourself from the new Great Depression draining your wallet. Many people will be absolutely devastated. There's only one thing that you can do in the next 48 hours to ensure that you are safe. I'm expanding on protect yourself. That's the next line. Okay? Or we'll use the next clause. Protect yourself from the new Great Depression. Protect yourself from the new Great Depression draining your wallet. It's sweeping the nation. No one's going to see it coming, and it's going to have devastating consequences and impact. The new Great Depression will be far-reaching and everlasting. I don't know if we'll see the end of it in our lifetime. Okay? I haven't said anything else except talk about the new Great Depression. Last, draining your wallet. Protect yourself from the new Great Depression draining your wallet. You might have noticed your portfolio dwindling, shrinking day by day, going deeper and deeper into the red and farther south. It's only going to get worse, and if you're constantly still adding to this, you're in a lot of trouble because all the money you're pouring in is only getting weaker and weaker by the day in value, and the numbers aren't looking good. It's probably just going to keep going lower and lower, day by day, week by week, month by month, until you have nothing left. Okay?
Yeah.
So pick one thing, like Siraj is saying. Now, what does that look like? That's what it looks like. Pick one thing and then let it breathe. Give it life. Let it go.
I'm just jumping from one thing to the other.
Yeah, every line here, I got a new topic that I could go a whole new email on. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Like you come back, like what Nick said. You come back, like if you did this over, you could do those 3 emails that Nick said you need to bring, right? There's 3 emails in the headline here.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
So,
or even off of the 4 that you said I did before. Yeah, one of those.
Yeah, you introduce a simple investment in here. That's an entirely new thread. Yeah, so take that advice. Focus on that. This is how we did it with Siraj. Week by week, technique by technique, until he got the hang of it and got the flow down.